do you know your born constitution? Born constitution is, this is where we born, the dominance of these doshas. So for example, my body is Vata Pitta. So that means Vata, remember Vata is a combination of space and air. Pitta is a fire and water. So that means in my body, that particular element has a more dominance, more percentage. So based on that percentage, my physical look, my emotions, my behavior, my intellect, all this build up. I manufacture that in a way. So you can say that when you have a Prakriti, it is like a default setting when we born. And throughout these years of study, we do job, we go overseas, we travel, we do a lot of activity in this life. And today, let's say, I born in, let's say, 74 year 74, and now there is a difference in my body. Maybe I have some health issues, or maybe I have some disorder, that due to all my imbalances happen throughout the year. And current imbalance, maybe I have a, let's say, a joint pain. So that is where I call it a vikruti, or imbalance in today's days. So what we need to worry about and check it out, we cannot change the prakriti. It is like an operating system. You don't need to change that. But what are the software we install due to the lifespan? So we need to see, due to all this software, the system getting slow. And what we do when the system you format. Similarly, when your performance of that particular organ or particular system, it is getting affected, then what we do, we need to do current imbalance happens. So then whatever the dosha is get imbalanced, we need to make them in a balance, or we make them into a factory setting. So whatever they go out of their own constitution, by lifestyle, by diet, by particular yoga, by particular treatment, depend how aggravated they become. So accordingly, we do a planning about diet or regime and everything.